Hi everybody, this is Sonia here and welcome to the Montessori Learning. Today I am going to tell you about Maria Montessori. Maria Montessori was a doctor, a very prominent doctor, but since she was a woman, so she wasn't being treated equally. So what she did, she started learning about Montessori, and she was given a task of handling mentally retarded children first. And when she delivered great results from mental retarded people, and found that they are substantially different and they can be compared with the normal children, and they are performing better than the normal children, normal teaching, than the normal and the formal education. So then in Italy, it became like a new wave, and people started calling her for different lectures, and she started increasing her wing about Montessori learning. So that's why you find in Italian way of school and education is really different than the rest of the world, because Maria Montessori, she did not stop. It was in the World War season. She did not stop, even though it was a World War season. She continued her learning and she continued teaching the people, and she gained enormous results. And today you see Italy is Italian people, they are much far better than any one of us, because the kind of education they got at the very formative years of development. So today I am going to tell you about something about our brain. So this is a global issue. So we all think that uh, you know kids, till the time the kids are in our hands, they are fine. But after that, when they step out, they are causing crime, or they are not listening to parents at the age of toddlers and all that. Even it's like it's not a myth; it's true. So today I'm going to tell you about how we can curtail this. So here is what I'm going to. Okay, this is the opposite. So see, so we in our brain, we call this ego, and here it is super ego, and this is E. So what is ego? So I don't know if many of you knows about this fact, that ego is not. It's a very wrong English that we say that person has ego, or that person has more ego and less ego and all that. That's a very wrong English. So the ego is basically the police force. The police force between Eid, which is instant gratification, and the superego, that our family and the values that are laid by our patriarchal society. So now we are always in the tussle. When we go out or step out of the house, we are always in the tussle between Eid, that is the instant gratification that is available in the society, and our parental values, and our patriarchal system, our core, basically our roots. So today I'm going to tell you that Maria Montessori, she was very keen in developing a balance between the Eid and the superego. So people who are Montessori trained, they are very balanced in terms of their Eid, the instant gratification. They know to how to hold on to any, if you want to buy any jewel, or if you want to buy a costly sari, if you want to buy a toy, or if you want to splurge. So if you train a person in a Montessori way, your Eid get control. On the other hand, the superego, that is the parental values that they have taught us, throughout the years. Each culture has their own parental values. We can't comment on that. Some cultures, they like divorce, and some cultures, especially the Indian culture, they hate divorce. Basically, for them, divorce is a stigma. So it depends on the internal values and the how our generation is looking forward. So Maria Montessori develops a child in a very balanced way, telling to take each and every step forward, balancing your Eid and balancing your superego. So, for example, if you are an Indian or if you are an Asian and you went to a country which is totally Western, where relationships are looked beyond marriage, or marriage is not the be all and end all in relationship, then how do you balance your superego there? Because for you, marriage is very essential. Unless and until you get married, you cannot stay with a person. So there, Montessori learning helps. It balances according to the environment, according to the situation, according to the climate. So it always have a balance between the Eid and the superego. So that's what I want to tell you, that why this today it has become a global issue, because we don't have control between our Eid and superego, and we get really disturbed. So if something wrong happens, we feel this is not our value system. This is not what we are being taught in school, or this is not what is happening to me is wrong. But so if we are trained in a Montessori way, we look at things differently, even in a problematic situation. We see good in everything. So I hope this video would be interesting to you. Thank you so much, and subscribe and don't forget. Thank you.